Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph. Yeah, we say it's a beautiful morning over here in Africa, Kenya to be specific. Nyabuhanse Isibania village near the border of Kenya and Tanzania, and today it's a brand new day. And it's a brand new day. I wanna sing this song, babe. I wanna laugh and sing and say, you are my queen, my lover, yeah, yeah. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph, and in case you're new here, kindly feel free to subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. And thank you so much for my returning subscribers. I really appreciate your love and support. And for those who stick by me, thank you so much. And for those who unsubscribed, oh man, I'm so sorry, and thank you so much for going. And for those who came, welcome back. It's a new energy, full of energy. I'm energized. So this day today, I'm shooting this video from my beautiful home here in Kenya, Africa. And this is my home. And I'm so much proud of my home over here. So I'm very much happy. And subscribe, like, share, and comment down below about what you think about this. So since the other day we have been washing. It was washing day over here. And man, we washed until the clotheslines were off. We decided to use these flowers to just put what we call like clothes to just dry. They act as what we call like clothesline. But we thank God for life and for everything and for what we have over here. We thank God. Life is just, they usually say, there's this guy I always sing, Admiral Tibet, who always sing he sing. I love listening to his music, about what he sings, about what he does. Like very nice. It motivates me, and every single day it's a new day with new vibe, new energy, and as we keep on moving. So this day today, guys, I'll be sharing with you what I'm doing over here in the village today in my home. Then after that, I want to be taking you to our dreamland where we bought, because it has been so long. Oh my god, it has been so long since I went to Ghana, or since I started traveling, and then I came back. I have never gone to my land. I've never gone visit there due to a lot of things that happening. I've been so busy helping my my brother True Boy to work, also with my family over here. So it has been so, it has been so long, but not long time. It has been so long, but not long time. Hey, is this even English? So yeah, this is my home. So from here I'll be taking you from this side to the other village. It's actually on the other village. So I'll be taking you there, just going checking on how the land is. Then also from there we'll come, and because my wife wanted to say something, we'll be with her here, and I love her so much. So this is what you see. It was washing day. Our house manager who washed this for us today, and it was like, okay, how to dry them up here. And also we have some grass that we planted just to groom our home. And also on this other end we have Granny. She always sit and relax over here. Very nice. We also have our small dog Puppy Chulo. How are you? Whenever it sees me, it starts to laugh and dance. You know, suggest for me which name can I call this amazing puppy. It has a very nice name, but I want you guys to just kindly select this name for me. You know, you always have to call it Simba. Simba is the lion. Simba, because it has big paws like lion. You see, it has big paws like a lion. You know, with us over here, that's how we train dogs. We say, you know, help me select a name. Help me select a name. And also the other day my brother was doing what we call like making this side so that, because we had soil erosion, because recently rain has been starting to rain, and we had what you call like soil erosion. So starting water runs from the other side of the gutters through this side, but it has been taking away the soil from here. But he used this just to prevent from soil erosion, and also from making this tree go down, because it's a soursop, and actually it helps us with a lot of fruits, man. And these fruits over here, they are very, very, very helpful to our community. They are called soursops, and this is how you see the soursops. On the land that I'm going to share with you, I planted these seedlings of the soursops. Hey, come on, man, what's it? Man, nowadays we have some small dogs. We have some small dogs. Relax, 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 relax. We have three puppies over here, and each and every puppy deserves a name. So we have Simba, we have Malala, Simba, Malala, Simba, Malala. So the main thing is, like, where I'm going to take you to our new land is like, we have these sourshops. I planted them there. I don't know how they're doing or they're performing, because it has been so long time ago. So this is a beneficial tree to have it on the compound, and that's why we are planting them more and more and more. And here I'm with my lovely grandma, Bibi.
Hey.
They wanna say one man soul. They wanna sing and cite to be say evil mind. When you have a wicked mind, you wanna man soul. Ooh. You wanna sing and dance to sing to the wicked mind. You wanna say they scandalize mining to the backbiters, and say to the people that want. Hey, sing it, baby. Hey, the other one man song. Hey, you wanna take it and say you fall to the wicked minds. I don't know what even I'm singing. She doesn't understand what I'm singing, but she's just vibing. Hi, say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
How are you?
How are you?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hey. Say subscribe, guys.
Good morning, teacher.
Hey. Good morning, what?
Good morning, teacher.
Hey.
How are you?
How are you?
No.
English.
English has stopped.
I'm so much proud about my grandma that nowadays she can speak a little English. Little, not much, but she can communicate a little. But how are you?
How are you?
Are you fine?
You're fine?
Very good.
Very good.
Say I love you all, guys.
You good?
I love you
I love you.
all, guys.
Every guy.
Yeah, guys, this symbolizes energy, peace. This symbolizes, the gray hair symbolizes wisdom.
Kichanuo.
Kichanuo. Zuri. Alright, guys, this is my lovely grandma, and always I'm here just to make her, whenever I'm back home, she always smile. Very energetic. Yes.
Yes.
That's my grandma. And although she has her tea over here, she always, like, anytime, when the people are diabetic, always they have to eat little by little. So on this other end also, this is home, and this is how amazing our home is. And thank you so much, guys. I knew down the name of this. And also, we have anybody who wants a soursop, DM. We have soursop here. This deserves to go and take and plant them, because I'm looking for a plan. Then I know where the house should be, so that I can start planting even trees, because I have seen this scenario where people start to plant trees, expensive trees maybe in their land, and then when the construction starts, the trees are just cut down. Everybody want to cut down the trees. The mason cut them down the trees, and that's what we call, like, they cut. We call them cost. What we call, like, expensive, cutting the expensive cost, something like that. So with me, after I've known what I build, I just come and take the trees like this. And also, thank you so much for those who reached out saying, "Oh, Claude, that is They call it mother-in-law's tongue. Mother-in-law's tongue. We have a lot of them here. If you want them, also DM me. You can be sent one or two to just enjoy and keep it in the house. They are almost in big hotels. They are always kept in indoors. Also, I think I'll just improve one and put them indoors to keep away mosquitoes. And also soursop, young seedlings of soursops, we have them over here. You see, my brother is always grooming the compound to look green and clean. You know, green and clean. Alright guys, so let me prepare, and also let me rush because I'm seeing he's working on this side. Hey Peter, how are you, Peter? You're fine, Peter. Hey Peter, you want to say hi, Peter? Huh? Okay Peter, mnafanya nini hapa nyuma? Okay, and also guys, we installed the toilet. So already we have a working toilet in here. Soon I'll just show you in how it looks like. So all the way from here, I thank God, the strategic of my house, I never wanted to dig another septic tank because already we have a septic over there, so it went just direct to the other side. So let me check what my brother is doing over here, and then I'll take you to our land of nation. There's music. There's music. You're listening to big music over here. What? Hey. So it's just clearing. I told you guys, but always when my brother is around, also he works very, very, very efficiently. That's why you see he's doing what we call like pruning the trees, so that also, you know, sometimes they keep snakes, sometimes they can keep hyenas, sometimes they can keep, but he's pruning just to make them look good and great. And also extending the road, as you see on this side. Hey Mr. Green Man, how are you? You're good. Man, what are you doing?
Playing my role in the society.
Playing the role in the society.
Yeah.
Hey, this guy, guys, whenever you see him, he loves green. He calls himself Mr. Green Man. Mr. Green Man, he always loved the environment. Like he's an environment officer in the village. That's why you see he keeps on putting on green from up to down. Introduce yourself, bro.
Yeah, I'm Mr. Greenman, Chacha Jacob.
Yes.
Usually carried out these landscaping services.
Yes.
By now I saw as if I viewed here and I saw as if maybe the road is just in a bushy. So I had maybe to come and pray my road here, not even alerting in person.
Yes.
So that
You can
the
put
passerby might come and even
buy you soda.
Yeah.
So
you must pray the road here.
Yeah, for sure.
You don't need to be in a bush like monkeys or like the gorillas. So you
just
must make
clear
something open
to be
and
open.
attractive. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, man. So he's my elder brother called Jacob. He loves just landscaping, just anything. He cannot sit just idle. Just he does what he's doing this great job. Okay, man, you continue. All right, man. Okay. He just trimming this, just clearing the bush to just see the road can be okay. You know, very, very nice. All right. So from here also we'll see what to do on this end of this side. That's how I love being maybe two or three in a family, or 4 or 5 or many in a family. It really helps a lot sometimes. Like me, I was busy with my other stuffs. With him, he's busy, like he thinks, you know. Sometimes you might have brothers who don't think well, you know, and they want everything to be done by you. But with him, he thinks, okay, it's best for me to go and clear the other side and see what's happening. All right, guys, so let's head to the land, and I want to share with you our dream land, and we see what's happening. All right. Yeah, guys, so we are heading Let's go. Yeah, so guys, we are heading. Let's go to our dreamland. Let's see how to go for. It's been a long time. Yes. Riding in the village, having peace of mind. Now that anybody we associate with that, with Claude, will be fired. So it's better to be a one-man soldier rather than pouring flour for others. It's better I be it alone. And then I'll sing, I'm a lone soldier, I'm a lone soldier, and I won't surrender, and I won't surrender. Ale, ale. Just send the blessings come down. Oh, I'm a lone soldier, I'm a lone soldier, and I won't surrender. We have a dumping site over here behind me. Over here, this is a dumping site, guys. So, yeah. Let's head to our land. I'm a lone soldier, I'm a lone soldier, and I won't surrender, and I won't surrender. Wale, just send your blessings come down. I know Jah will send his blessings to come down, though even sometimes they. Things are moving in nicely. Safi. Poa. Una kazi inaendelea.
Kazi tu.
Okay, ngoja mwana. Sasa ni aje? Ah, uko poa?
Niko poa.
Mnamaliza lini kuja kwangu basi?
Hii wiki tu boss.
Oh. Okay.
Hai.
Anaone haraka utarasuki pigae yucho.
Ani hano. Tuende kesho tunamaliza.
Oh, kwani kitimu tunamotora hano? Yeah. Tunamotora hano. Go down. Oh. Mura. Sentin kwere kakon.
Nangu enda mjinga bishana.
Sasa nifike shambani pale. Wewe acha story tutaongea. Nitafute. Nice. I'm very much impressed with this place, guys. It used to be very bushy, but nowadays, look, people have just developed this place unconditionally with big walls. Nowadays, people migrate from town. That's Sierra border just to come to this side. Very nice place. Let me check. We're already in our land, and that's our land. Oh my god, the guy who was looking after my project went to school. That was the V. Went to school, and I think I'll just trespass. I'll just jump over because now the gate is locked and I don't have the key for this. So I think I'll just jump. Whoa, will I even fit here? Assume as if you haven't seen what is happening, guys. Don't come and trespass. Assume as if you never saw anything. So this is our land. We have land over here and it's locked. It's gated community now, you know. My land is gated. It's under top security because it's fenced. We also have a gate over here. And welcome for those who are new here. This is our land, our dreamland over here. It has some best views, you know. It has some best views over here, and also it's strategically located. It's near town. It's near town. It's near the other side of Nyabohanse, but not very near because it's It's a place of its own zone. As you see, we started bringing materials up and down slowly by slowly, and I saw a video saying that Claude is poor. Claude is poor. Yes, you know, sometimes poverty is not something that is inheritance. You can inherit poverty if you like, but if you have a mind, you can change the narratives. So yeah, I could have maybe constructed long time ago, or I could have maybe been to a situation where he could want me to be on that side. But I've been trusting the process slowly by slowly, because I had siblings behind me. Even the firstborn, I used to pay him school fees after I finished my school, going to hustle in the streets of Kisumu. I was a hawker and a vendor, and I can't sit down and not forget the past, that where I came from. I used to be a vendor and a hawker until I realized what YouTube was, what it was to do, what it was used to pay. And you know, you can't make it overnight, that okay, you wake up today and you're already something, you know. It's just slowly by slowly. And I usually believe that I have this belief that everybody has his own day. It's like the saying or a proverb that says every dog has its own day. Yeah, so with me, I've been like bringing materials slowly by slowly. I bought this land out of my savings, little by little. If I get my salary, I save small, I another small, I just, you know, I put it I scatter it to my family, because now after my other elder brothers has his own family, our firstborn is a priest, he's still at school. The other one had no job, so I was the only person who is hustling outside, coming back home to just change the narratives. I used to pay school fees for my young brother Mogendi. I'm paying school fees to my young sister. You have seen the videos, it's very evident, guys. Since day one I started this, maybe taking her to school, the journey is evident up to now. Sometimes family taking care of her, my grandma taking, you know, a lot of things of extended. So somebody comes say, okay, their houses are bad. Yes, I'm appreciating that, and I'm not taking that as a bad thing, but I'm taking it as a positive energy, because it's like an energy that makes you grow, because you realize, oh, so your house is bad, okay, so let me push hard so that one day also I might get out of my bad house. But for now, where I am, I'm comfortable. It's only that I'm pushing. So you can just see from my elder brother, my family, grandma, my young brother, my young sister, but still I'm managing to save a little by little. I acquired land over here, and still I'm bringing materials slowly by slowly, so that maybe one day I'll have to build my dream house over here. Wow, we have a heap of sands. It's like 8 or 9 or 10 tracks of sand. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, like a lot of heap of sand. We have 1 track of ballast, and also we have some also tracks of hardcore over here, and also we have land. And we have the views. Oh my god, I really love this. I really love this kind of the view and what I see here. It's what we call like I'm very much sorry sometimes when somebody talks something that he or she doesn't know where you come from, what you are going through. You know, it's like you are laughing to a lame. It's like you are laughing to a lame person, and yet you have no family. Maybe you have no family, or you are creating family, and you are laughing. Ah, this guy is deaf. Oh, this guy is blind. This guy has 1 leg. So you are laughing at that when you know very well that also one day you haven't yet planned for that. So that is like, also you are in the same situation and you are laughing somebody that, oh, now he's still in that situation. Being in a madhouse doesn't mean that you are not rich. You might be poor, maybe in infrastructures or maybe in possessions, but in mind you are very rich. In mind your thoughts are very different. So that's what like really showed me. I was like, oh my god, maybe some days things will work out. And yeah, I see there's some problem over here. You know, I bought land to an extent that my land, you see, with me, I never wanted to do what we call like really squeeze who sold land for me. I'm supposed to be on this. This is the boundary, the one you see here. In Africa, we use sisal as a boundary. Let me know in the comment section, in your country, what do you use to mark the boundaries? Some use concrete, some use, I don't know, walls to mark the boundaries, but with me, I used this to mark the boundary. Reason being, I also left some feet, like 1.5 feet from the boundary, so that I can just read these people's mind, because there are those people who you buy land and they later on disturb you. Oh, they later on disturb you. Okay, your land was here, or they squeeze the boundaries. So with me, I just warned them and I told them, okay, some days I'll plant trees over here. So I see they really respect. So we have what we call also hard course over here, but these are nothing sometimes when you start constructing, because you might see there are a lot, but the moment you put or you raise a house, they go off everything. That's why you see we have this hard course over here, a lot of hard course, but still they're nothing when you start to construct. They go off. Even for the plan that maybe I usually see for the elevated land, you know, my land is elevated, it's slanting towards the river. We have a river down here, which also it's doing really good in terms of agriculture. Maybe I should convert this land to agriculture, but I don't want that. I bought the land to build a dream house, but that dream house also, we should do what we call like put something else over here. But I'm appreciating, one day I'll put a very nice house over here. Maybe it can be a 2-bedroom or a 3-bedroom, and the rest we can do on. So we have also this one. I planted some soursoups here, but they're not around. Also, you see the boundary. So with me, I never wanted to put the boundary direct, but just to put it a smaller side, just a small aside. Andrikus, kulikuwa na mti wangu hapo, ulienda waling'oa hivi. Hey, Nyunugushimo kuko hapo. Haya. So also we have this on the end here. Sorry guys, we have a lot of blackjacks. The land is so huge. Coming downwards, Salama, coming downwards, deep down, up to deep down, which is very nice. I'm so much proud of myself, and also my wife Minhai, because she has been so supportive to me. We have this, we have planted bananas, which is a very nice thing. Whenever one day you come here and you want maybe to have a banana or plantain, you can have one. I told you we had some soursoups. You see, oh man, they are doing really great. Wow, let me uproot a little by little. These are the soursoups, guys. I told you that we planted those days back. We have soursoup there. We also have banana. Hey, they are really doing great, man. And the land is okay. Also, we are having another soursoup. It's over here. I think this died. No, it's still over there. It's coming. Oh, so from here I'll take you back home to go check my wife and see what's happening. We created a bench here to come and sit, but oh man, it's scattered. Nobody sits here because now it's locked. I've told you guys, I've told you guys, this land, I acquired it, or I bought it long time ago, like since December last year. Yeah, December last year. I started paying it in installments, slowly by slowly. I can't beat the chest and say I bought it at once, like boom. No, it's I bought it in installments. I used to pay. Even till now, there's some that I haven't yet really, yeah, but I know that I'll finish it soon, slowly. So I told you that the reason why I am not maybe, and I'm not regretting that maybe the step I've made is slowly original, but I'm appreciating that the step is very big, because owning a land, it's a dream to some, and it's not a dream to some people. Owning a house is a dream to some, and also it's not a dream to some people. So having business is a dream to others, and also it's the dream to not to some people. So everybody is proud of his or of her own thing that he has acquired, he owns. Like me, I'm so proud of what I have here. Very, very proud, despite that being maybe told that I have nothing, I'm poor. I appreciate. I'm like, okay, it's okay, but let God be our protector. Let the things speak by themselves. I'm appreciating the small steps I'm making, though that if I can't make big things, let me make the small things in a great way, like slowly by slowly. If this will be here even for several years, even if I die, I'll tell them, come and bury me here. At least I have a place for the graveyard, rather than being at my dad's place, and it should be better. So yeah guys, let's see. Oh, I miss this place. It has been so bushy. I think I have to come and slash here maybe soon, and also maybe plant some little trees where necessary, because they always say don't plant trees, because if I could have planted tree here and an engineer comes and say no, the house is supposed to be here, the motion, we call it the motion, where people are moving up and down, some want to carry stones from this side to this side, so you end up destroying your expensive trees. So it's better I just do what you call like leave it a little bit until the day I get plants. So slowly by slowly bringing materials. Like now we have sand. I think sand is a little bit. Stones we have to bring more, and also ballast. All right guys, that's it, and it's gonna be the end of I'm just peeping. It's gonna be the end. There was a okay, we put it this way. It's gonna be the end of this over here, and I'll be heading back home and check on my wife and see what's going on this side and see. All right. Hey, being in the village is nice thing. Look at our land. I just went to visit this neighbor of mine over here, and look what he gave me. She gave me these sugar canes, and he was like, hey my son, we have come. She gave me sugar canes, 2 sugar canes, and this you can buy them in town maybe like 200 shillings, but over here I've been given for free. That's what you say, like staying with people in a good way. So I've already acquired this 2 sugar from over here. That's what you call like staying with people in a nice way. I only have 2 neighbors surrounding me, this one and that one, and I'm in the middle, going deep one, up to down. Oh man. All right guys, let's go home and see what's happening with our sugar, smiling with our sugar. Minha will be very happy seeing this sugar. Was a brother mine. Poverty was a brother mine. Ooh, poverty. Poverty. Poverty was a brother mine. Poverty was a brother. Huko juu. Hiyo yenye juu unaona hapo.
Gani hiyo?
Ona hiyo yenye huko.
Gani ile? Hiyo bati mzee.
Hiyo yenye iko hapa, hiyo yenye kwa bati mzee. Hiyo iko na hii shamba iko hapa tu. Hiyo na hiyo.
Hiyo yenye kwa mandizi.
Hiyo tu.
Hiyo.
Ah,
sawa.
Haya, sawa, asante. He was asking for direction. song, a very nice song. And poverty was a brother mine. Just arrived back home. I'm home. Habibi, how are you? You good? Habibi. Alright guys, just arrived. I wanna just go say sorry to my wife because I kept her long in the village until she was now dragged into something. Because with her, you know, the thing is, she doesn't want to see bad things happening. She can't keep quiet. So the moment she's like, she always say she cannot keep evil. Even if it's me doing bad things, she just tell me no, it's this way. So let me go say sorry with the sugar cane in a good way, in a more village con way. Huh? Hiya, baby. Hi. Hello. Hiya. So let me go in and just say sorry to my wife. She's back. I kept her in the village, but always a good dancer must not want to leave the village. I saw True Boy. True Boy. I think even it wants to rain. Let me check her inside here because I brought some sugars and she thought she was not in. Hey, anybody in?
Hello. Oh, hi.
Oh, hey.
Hi.
I just brought the sugar and you're already.
I'm sugar full.
Eh.
I love sugar cane. I
Eh.
think you should bring them more often.
Hey, even I haven't even eaten some. You guys, look, it's a machine.
No. I was eating with a friend who was here.
Hey,
No.
just guys, imagine just taking a short corner outside, checking on how my brother is working outside here. Let me show you. Just checking how my brother is working outside there. He was just clearing the other side. Oh my God, just having a corner.
Sweetheart, can I pick this call as you talk?
Sometimes the calls you'll pick it, you know, pressure.
Okay.
Receiving calls. Hi.
Yeah.
How is
Hi
everything?
guys.
Hey,
Have I appeared on this channel?
hey, it has been a long
It's been
time.
a long time.
Maybe like 1 or 2 months since I went in Ghana, came back. We haven't been seen on my videos. I missed you.
I miss you
Peg
too.
me.
Mwah.
How are you?
I am good.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning.
Guten Morgen.
Guten Morgen, guten Abend. Wie geht es dir? Sag mal danke gut.
Danke gut.
Okay.
Oh, danke gut.
Danke gut.
Okay. I missed you, guy.
Hey, you missed me.
I missed you.
And the way before has been beating me, but I've missed you too.
I'm sorry for that. I'm apologizing this. I'm sorry.
So what are you sorry for? What did you
I'm
do?
sorry because I think I'm the one who dragged you here to this saga. Because if it couldn't be a thing, you could have long time ago
Gone back.
gone back.
No.
But now
God plans things.
I'm sorry for
It's okay.
putting you to this
Don't be sorry.
and for
don't
breaking
have
your
to.
relationship maybe with your boss and everything. I'm
No,
sorry.
you come on.
Yeah,
No.
because
You didn't break anything, and you're not accountable. Like I'm responsible for everything I say or everything I do. So don't even put yourself there. Okay?
okay.
Yeah.
I'm 000
Yeah.
this
So
guy
I know.
who
No,
don't
I saw
like
you
it.
made a
Okay.
call.
Yeah.
And you've received water.
I've received water. You know me, sometimes I feel like, let me just put it aside because I've never like brought myself into drama. I don't know what
so
even.
I don't want you to get.
I don't want
involved
even
with
to get into that
Yeah,
because
so-
I know the impact of it.
that. Yeah.
It always comes with a negative impact. You feel stressed. Another thing, you can't even
Yeah. I
eat.
saw you so stressed.
So I was like, no, let me just call and just hear what's the opinions. Why me being there, you know?
Yeah, and-
But to hell, you know.
Well, those,
Yeah.
those are non-issues.
How are you doing?
I'm the queen of drama apparently, so just let me deal with
I
that.
brought you sugar. I brought just sugar cane, guys. Been surprised. Hey, she squandered it.
No, it's like he was eating with his
Where?
his friend was here.
Look, oh, you are eating with a friend.
With a friend, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, everything is cool. Everything is nice. Take care, and always, I'm so much proud of you.
I'm proud of
And
you too.
yeah, let not anything just come in between and say okay.
Were
yeah,
you
always
Were you
know.
thinking of leaving me?
Nothing. Just like, you know, in between things happen, and sometimes when people just see you apart, some people think we have
You're broken up.
So because since I came from Ghana,
We haven't really done videos
done in
together.
video, and yeah, I'm just sorry for what happened to you, and for maybe I'm apologizing.
No,
sorry.
don't.
Because
No, I have
things
a
happen. Yes, you have a
I have a
question.
question. What do you think of my new path? What I want to do with my career?
They always say a good dancer must know when to leave the stage. You know, sometimes if
That's
you
a nice quote. A good dancer must know when to leave the stage.
yeah, you know, sometimes you can't be
Sounds
dancing.
awesome.
You dance. You put the music, you dance. You put rumba, you dance. They put marumbini, you dance. They put osogowenye, you dance.
Zomba,
You
you
put
dance.
kizomba, you dance. No,
Kizombi. Is it Kizomba?
it's called kizomba, you dance. They put salsa, you dance. Sometimes everybody knows how to dance in his own style. So, and always everybody dance according to his or her own rhythm. You have to know to sing your own
You have to
lyrics.
know how to do your own
Yeah,
thing.
so sometimes we appreciate, we are grateful for the time we have been, and also there's always a time you say, okay, let me do my own thing. Hey, phone calls. Oh
There are
my
many,
god.
I know.
Hey.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's what we say. So me, I can't take sides. I always say I can't inherit enemies. If you meet me, you greet me, I greet you, don't greet back. Well and good, as long as I
You know,
know.
when you do a video with me right now, you'll be banned.
Who?
You'll be banned for doing a video with me.
But already they said it over there that we are fired. So let's not put that. I know
You're so
always
fired.
that God is there for us,
Yeah.
and
I hope whatever, like just even working with me or just being in a relationship with me, does not cost you so much, you know.
whoever would like to do a video with us will do a video. Whoever would feel like, oh man, I'll also be fired, let it be. Just don't have a heart like, okay, you have to card on yourself and say no now, because whoever would feel free to do a video, let him do. And whoever feel like, no, okay, things will fall apart, let it be. Because with me, one thing I realize is in this world, never inherit enemies and never create enemy. Because you did what you wanted to do in a good way. Even me, I myself, whenever you see me going wrong, you always yell at me and tell me this is not the right path. So I go blow. So honestly speaking, let peace always be there, and let nothing just come and tell you, okay, this was this and this was this. I'm so proud of you and I love you so much. No matter what people will say, things will just be there.
It is what it is.
Yeah, it is what it is.
I think I
Alright.
need to put you on a hot seat.
All right. I don't fear anything.
I'll put you on a hot seat.
Okay.
There are questions I want to ask him, guys, that I don't feel I should ask him on his platform here.
Okay.
Because his platform is a quiet platform, so I don't want to. Maybe it will be on my channel, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
because at least you're not afraid of me. So I have that one person who
how can I be afraid of you?
I know, because you know right now, if I go to Nyabwanse there, even if people see me coming, YouTubers, they will run away.
They run away.
If they had the cameras, they switch them
They
off.
always say, don't chase butterflies, but plant flowers.
So I know.
So okay,
Like,
you're already
even
planting
if-
flowers on
listen,
your own. Yes.
Even if everyone else runs away, I know you'll stick. So
Yeah.
that's one thing I know for sure.
Yes.
So that's why I'm grateful for you, and I love you and I appreciate you.
I love you too.
And whatever decisions you make, I'm fully behind you, and just go for it. Whatever you want to do.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. She's back. She's here. Nothing broke, but
I didn't run away.
She didn't run away.
My mom was not feeling well.
Yeah, and
I had to
she's
go for
finally
fatigue.
back. Yeah, and I really appreciate that. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And I welcomed you home, and this is your home. Mikasa Sukasa.
Allah.
Sukasa Mikasa.
Sukasa, Mikasa.
Yeah.
Mikasa, Sukasa.
Mikasa Sukasa.
Sukasa, Mikasa.
And Sukasa.
Mikasa.
Absolutely. That is it. And thank you so much, guys. Be blessed all. I'm going to end this video here because I don't want to put too much. I really appreciate your love and stuff. I went to the land to just check on the land because
How is it? I haven't been there. Like,
it's bushy.
oh my God.
It's bushy. Our soursoups are growing well.
Wait, for
Yeah,
real?
our soursoups
You
are
mean?
really, yeah, our soursoups are really growing well. I don't think maybe one day when we start constructing, we'll have to uproot and plant them outside.
No, we don't want to uproot them. I just want them to grow like.
That's why I
feel
don't
like
want
if
to
you
plant
uproot
a
them,
lot of
they die.
trees, maybe expensive trees, and then when you start constructing,
You uproot them.
I uproot them. Are you comfortable in this madhouse, or you?
It's what I like about it, guys. It's very cool. Like, it could be burning out hot outside, but when you get in here, it's extremely cool.
Wow.
And also when you're like, and when it's raining, the house is warm. So that's the difference.
No AC.
When it's
no
cold,
heaters.
when it's cold outside, it's
Yeah,
warm inside.
it's warm
And when
inside.
it's hot outside,
It's cool
cold
inside.
inside. So like
It's
like,
magic house.
yeah, and then now it doesn't have a lot of mosquitoes.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
one thing I like. And like the way when we were at the Airbnbs, it used to rain mosquitoes. Remember?
Absolutely.
Yeah, but here
you buy
it's-
even mosquito repellents, but still you hear them singing their own song.
yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
So but then now, thank you for allowing me to be here.
Yeah.
I'm super grateful for you. Thank you for always,
Absolutely.
guys. This guy is always supporting me in so many ways. Like he's my backbone currently. Like I'm super grateful for you, and you taking your time traveling, coming back. He travels and he's like, Minawi, oh my god, I think you feel so bad that we didn't go with him. So hopefully someday we'll go together somewhere.
Some days.
Yeah, but I'm
But
super
for now,
grateful
let's
for you.
focus
And
on-
I want to pray for you
Yes.
that God blesses you.
thank
Whatever
you.
you touch turns into
You're
gold.
blessed, really.
Don't look back. Even when you see I'm burning somewhere, know that I got it.
Absolutely. It's a matter of time.
Don't you know me? Don't shake that. Oh, something is happening to me, Hawi. I don't want you to fear. I want you to just focus on what you want to do.
Yes.
Even my career is mine, so I know how to do it. So you don't always worry about me. He's always worried about me. So don't always worry about me. Know that I'm here. When it's so tough, I'll tell you I can't do it anymore. Okay?
This life is full of ups and downs.
Yeah, it is, and that's how we are. We need to find a way of surviving it. Okay?
Yeah, for
Yeah.
sure. All right, guys.
Thank
you and be blessed, guys. I'm going to end this video here. I've just brought up about our land because some days this is my home and my mom's home. We call it parental home, but some days we'll go to our own place where we just build our own house and stay there, and things will be so much okay. So
Yeah.
thank you so much. And be blessed, all guys, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Min Howie.
Road to
And
10,000.
road to 10,000 subscribers, and also I'm on road to 30,000 subscribers. Now you feel free, you have your own subscribers. who
No,
remain.
yeah, the ones who wanted to
Okay,
go went.
okay.
Now the ones who remained are mine. So I'm okay now.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you and bye
Bye.
bye. Bye, guys. Bye.